Hello, my name is Jeff Franklin, and today I'd like to show you how to install Walnut Studiolo's leather coil bar tape. Included in your kit will be the bar tape, instructions, and these two gap covers. Installation is relatively simple. All you need is electrical tape, some scissors to cut it, and a bowl of room temperature water. To begin the installation, you want to roll up the rubber of the brake hoods, giving you access to what's beneath. And make sure that your bars are clean of debris. Make sure there's nothing stuck to the outside. Take the gap filler, see how it kind of fits flush. Hold it to one side and mark the extra length on the back and cut to length. Then I put 2 pieces of electrical tape to hold it in place. So to begin the installation, you want to soak the leather strap in a bowl of water. You'll instantly feel that the leather becomes stretchier. You really can't get it too wet. Okay. If you want, you can take a paper towel and simply wipe off any excess moisture. To get started, we just want to attach the leather bar tape to the handlebars with a small piece of electrical tape. The important thing here is that you want the leather wrapping over the bar towards you. And you want to start your pattern of overlap. So I want about 1/4 of an inch overlap to the next wrap. That's really all there is. From here on out, you just repeat that process to the brake hood. Once you've got a full rotation, you can pull as tightly as you're comfortable with. Leather is strong and is not going to break in half. Maintain the same overlap. When you come to the corner, it's the outside edge that you want to maintain the overlap. The inside will be a greater overlap. Okay, so now that we're at the brake hood, make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want any silver handlebar showing. We actually want to reverse the direction of this coil at this point. I'll explain more in a second, but to do that, we come over the brake hood and then back around again. Just like that. Perfect. Now you're looking at the overlap, making sure it's consistent, just for aesthetics. So we've reversed the coil on the drops because on the drops, your hands want to slide to the outside. We go around in the direction that your hand wants to slide because it tightens upon itself. On the top, your hand wants to slide backwards, so we coil it that way. By reversing it, it's always in the right direction to self-tighten upon itself. When you're getting to the end of the bar, you want to just continue the same pattern till the bar is fully covered. Then take a piece of electrical tape. You can see the end of the bar there. Just place it anywhere near the end. Wrap it around. That's just to roughly hold it in place. Then take some scissors. Now what we're going to do is cut it flush with the end of the handlebars. You can kind of mold it in. You'll want to have another piece of electrical tape, and you want to go around the end of the bar twice. Start the electrical tape near the bottom of the bar, and you want to also end at the bottom so you don't have a visible seam at the top. So trim off any excess you may have. Then for safety purposes, you can take any standard bar end plug, Roll the brake hoods down. That side is done. We just have to do the other side. You know, the really great thing about these leather bar wraps is they're so tough. They'll last as long as you take care of them. I have uninstalled and reinstalled these Coil bar wraps, and you can do that from bike to bike to bike, maintaining that character that you develop with your hard-earned miles on the saddle and oils from your hand. I'd love to see pictures of your bikes with Walnut bar wraps. You can find us online at walnutstudiolo.com. Thank you very much for your time.